victory from another court declaring that the president's Muslim ban, the travel ban, is not lawful. It's not constitutional. Every federal court has agreed on that. So what's next is whether or not the U.S. Supreme Court will hear an appeal from these courts of appeal. That's the question for the U.S. Supreme Court to decide whether they want to hear that or not. So we prevailed on the first travel ban. We filed a lawsuit and won, and the Trump administration did not appeal that to the Supreme Court. So what's at issue now is the revised travel ban. So we are not formally in that litigation. We're helping with briefs, filing supporting briefs for the state of Hawaii and for entities back in Maryland. They have the cases moving up, so we're involved, but we're not directly, we won't be the ones in court arguing for this revised travel ban before the Supreme Court if it gets that far.
Do you expect that it will?
You know, everybody assumes the Supreme Court will take the case, and I think it's likely they will given the magnitude of the case. But that said, typically the Supreme Court only takes cases when there's a disagreement amongst lower courts and they want to clarify what the law is for the country. Here the courts are all in agreement that the travel ban should not go forward, so it would not shock me if the Supreme Court declined to take the case. That said, given the magnitude of how important the issues are, I think it's likely that they will.